welcome to Essie's Diary. For those of you who don't know, my name is esihlemkosana and welcome to my diary. So today we're doing an apartment tour, guys, and we've been booking. So I thought, you know what, let me show you guys where we're staying at. I'm sure you guys would love to see because we're constantly booking. So this weekend is our anniversary and obviously that's why we're booking. These places that we're booking to, guys, are very beautiful and very affordable. So I thought I would share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So yes, join me in our apartment tour. Ready? Welcome to our luxury apartment. So this is the bedroom. And beautiful. Love the colors. It's white, you know. It's clean. The bed is huge. I'm sure it's a queen size bed because a king is more bigger than that. My mom has a king size bed, so that's how I know. But yeah, this bed is beautiful. This room is beautiful. I love the details, the drawers. It's simple, man. It's very simple but beautiful, elegant. Yes. Did you show them the cupboards, love? Beautiful, clean, sparkling white. Yes. We have the bathroom. I don't know what this is. Oh, we have a washing machine in case you want to wash our clothes. Near Hoover. Anyway, we won't be doing any of that this weekend. Yes, bathroom. My favorite place in an apartment is the bathroom area. If this makes sense, then I don't give a shit about anything else. Like, the bathroom has to make sense. And the first thing I always look at is that shower head. If it's huge like that, it makes sense. I don't like those small shower heads, cause yeah. But yes, this shower is beautiful. It's a bit small. I don't know. Yeah, it's a bit small, but it's still nice. Because we've been to one of these apartments before and they had a much bigger shower. This one is a bit smaller, but it's okay. I love the sink, the details, the black. It looks very beautiful, guys. Beautiful mirror. These, beautiful details over here. And then we get to the lounge area and the kitchen area. So this is the kitchen. Anyway, yeah. This is our kitchen area. The stove, microwave, toaster, sink. It's clean, man, guys. It smells good. It smells clean. I love the colors. I like the details. Gray, black, white. Like, this is how I want my place to be. Love the couches as well. It's nice and intimate, I guess. It's nice and intimate. Like, yeah, we're definitely going to be having sex over here. That's honey. But yes, man, I love these couches. I mean, they're not as big as the previous place that we were at. So I'll give this couches a 5 out of 10. Because I like the previous one, but yeah. The dining area when we want to eat, and talk and everything. And yeah, like overall, I think this place is nice. The TV area as well. I'm sure they have Netflix and everything, but we'll check that out later. Yes, guys, the only thing I don't like about this place is the fact that it doesn't have a view. So usually we always look in places that has beautiful views, and this is what we get. So this is a huge disappointment. But overall, I think I'd give this place a 5 out of 10. Because we've been to this place before. Like the first apartment, the first building was nice. Like it was huge, fam. It was huge. It was beautiful. Same colors, same artwork and everything. But this one is much more smaller. This is very small and it doesn't have a view. And these couches are nice, but not as nice as the previous place. Because obviously I'm always comparing places, you want to stay in nice places, guys, beautiful places. This place is really gorgeous, I won't lie, compared to other places, and it's very affordable, very, very affordable. So I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful view, because I'm gonna enjoy myself this weekend. Of this place, guys, I'm not going to share the name. You must search for yourself. So there's booking.com. Obviously you can search nice places there. I don't know what that noise is, but yeah, you can search on booking.com or Airbnb, but we usually do booking.com because that's the best, I feel like one of the best apps to book. So yes, we got this place for under 2K. It's in town, Greenpoint town. Are we in Greenpoint? We're in Greenpoint, eh? It's Greenpoint. Yes, it's in Greenpoint. Search for places, maybe you'll find it. I'm not gonna share the name with you, but yes, it's under 2K. It's very beautiful. 1 bedroom, lounge, kitchen area, dining room, beautiful bathroom for under 2K. Imagine, like, it's very, very affordable, guys. Please start looking on booking.com because that's one of the best booking apps ever, and very affordable prices, very beautiful places. So yes, guys, I'll be doing more of these apartment tours, and until they are able to pay me, then I will mention their names. Otherwise, for now, I'll keep my mouth shut until a brand approaches me, like this brand, and tells me, yo, come do an apartment tour for us and mention our name. Then I will be doing that. For now, you guys can go search for yourselves on booking.com and maybe you'll find this place. So anyway, guys, this is the end of our video. I want to enjoy this weekend, so I won't be vlogging. I just wanted to show you the apartment that we're in. Yes, it's going to be a beautiful weekend. I'm going to enjoy my weekend, guys, because it's been a long week. It's been a hectic week, and the week to come is also going to be a hectic one, so I need this weekend to just relax with the love of my life. So yes, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell your friends about it if you haven't. I'll be doing shooting a lot of content for you to see, and if you have any topics or anything that you would like me to shoot, discuss, or whatever, let me know in the comment section down below. Yes, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time on Essie's Diary.